Forged from 4 times heat-treated steel, it's guaranteed to never rust, never dull, and never bend, even if you hit it with a katana. Sure, with a tool this compact and useful, we could do a hackneyed demonstration where we fix things while making ninjutsu noises. But we trust that you're smart enough to see the utility in the Wallet Ninja. But what if you could slip in something really handy, like an entire chest full of tools without adding bulk? The Wallet Ninja is an 18-in-1 multi-tool that's the same size as a credit card. Weighing just 2 ounces, it's a super compact, super useful device loaded with handy tools. Despite its small size, the Wallet Ninja is practically indestructible.